let us discuss about the number 16 item. So, what statement considered as a fact rather than a mere opinion? So when we say fact, it is known to prove to be true. It is it has information used with evidence, no? So it is considered as fact if it has evidence. Now when we say opinion, it is a view or a judgment formed in our mind. So when you perceive the information or when you state something, it involves your own feelings, emotions, or your own ideas without evidences, no? Without being proved if it's true or not. Now, these are the choices. First is the Philippines will make tourists say wow after visiting our line. Do you think it is a fact or opinion? So, this is a mere opinion, no? So, because the Philippines will make tourists say wow after visiting our land, it doesn't provide any evidence unless if it's stated that according to blah blah blah, the Philippines will make tourists say wow after visiting our land. So that statement will make it true or will make it fact, no? So next is tourism generate revenues from foreign visitor. So what do you observe? So as you observe, it doesn't provide any evidences, right? But tourism itself explains that tourism is for foreign visitors. When we say tourism, it is the activities of a person traveling and staying in place outside their usual environment. So the first tourism, it is for the people who visit, no, who visit out of the country. It is the tourism. So this statement considered as a opinion, I mean a fact, because even if it doesn't provide any evidences, since the tourism itself explains its part, explains its meaning itself, no, then it is considered as a mere fact, no. Next is tourism visits will continue to grow in spite of bad years. So it involves a foreshadowing. It doesn't provide any evidences. Then it involves foreshadowing. Imagine tourists visits will continue to grow in spite of bad years. So there's a foreshadowing, though we doesn't know when it doesn't know if it will happen, if it the tourism will still continue even in bad years, no, unless if it's stated that according to blah blah blah, it's stated that tourism visits will continue to grow in spite of bad years. So this statement will make it a fact. Next is visiting the Philippines is fun. So this statement is considered as what? Considered as as an opinion. Why? Because there are a lot of preferences. No, it will be a fact if it's stated that Marian Rivera said that visiting the Philippines is fun. So there it is proved to be true. Then we have different preferences. Not all the people visiting the Philippines find visiting Philippines is fun. So it is a mere opinion. It is not a fact. So in the four choices, among the four choices, what is the fact and what is the mere opinion? Yes, the first, the fact here is that tourism generates revenues from foreign visitors. That will be a mere fact. Then the opinion are the Philippines will make tourists say wow after visiting our island. So another one is tourist visits will continue to grow in spite of bad years. Next is the visiting Philippines is fun. So those are just opinionated ideas. It doesn't provide any evidences. It doesn't provide any any statement that proved to be true. So that's it.